Morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are. This is Mathematics Therapy class. My name is Olanrewaju Emmanuel. Today we want to discuss on the root of quadratic equation. Let us look at this question on the board. If alpha and beta are the root of quadratic equation 2x raised to power 2 plus x minus 5 equals 0. Find alpha plus beta, alpha delta, alpha raised to power 2 plus beta raised to power 2. Solution. Don't forget, if I want to solve this kind of question, I need to understand the statement of ax raised to power 2 plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the equation of quadratic equation. Then we have a is the same thing as 2, that is a equals 2. B is the same thing as the coefficient of x here, which is 1. C is the same thing as constant, which is minus 5. If I to solve alpha plus beta, I write alpha plus beta, that is alpha plus beta happen to be the sum of the two roots, and this is going to be minus b over a. Minus b over a will become minus 1 over 2. That is, b is 1 and a is 2. For the second question, that is alpha delta. Alpha delta happen to be the product of the two roots, and the product of the two roots is given as c over a. This is going to be our c is minus 5 and a is 2. Then we have minus 5 over 2. That is for question 1 and 2. We need to solve for the third one, which is alpha raised to power 2 plus beta raised to power 2. Alpha raised to power 2 plus beta raised to power 2. I have a little problem here that I need to consider. I have the sum and I have products, but I didn't have the sum of alpha raised to power 2 plus beta raised to power 2. If I want to solve this, I need to consider sum and product here. That is, alpha raised to power 2 plus beta raised to power 2 is the same thing as alpha plus beta raised to power 2 minus 2 alpha delta. So I'm going to have the sum is minus half, that is minus half square minus 2 into minus 5 over 2. Then I will have 1 over 4 minus times minus is plus. These two will cancel this. The 2 we have outside, so I'm going to have 5 over 1, which is the same thing as 21 over 4. Finally, alpha square plus beta square is 5 whole number 1 over 4. If I want to solve this from figure 3 in another way, I call it short method. By short method, I will agree to have alpha square plus beta square to become b raised to power 2 minus 2ac over a square. So in this case, alpha raised to power 2 plus beta raised to power 2 will become, don't forget we have provision for a to c, A equals to 2, B equals to 1, and the C equals to minus 5. So I'm going to have 1 raised to power 2 minus 2 into bracket 2 into minus 5. Everything over 2 raised to power 2. Then I'm going to have 1 raised to power, that is 1 raised to power 2 equals to 1. Minus times minus is plus. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 5, 20. 2 raised to power 2, 4. Which is going to be 21 over 4. Then alpha square plus beta square will still be 5 whole number 1 over 4. That is how to solve question under the root of quadratic equation. In the next video, we are going to look at the sum of alpha raised to power 3 and the beta raised to power 3.